Don't use your cash out to fund your lifestyle. This is one thing you don't hear many investors talk about, but it's a cardinal rule. You never use your cash out from your refinances to fund your lifestyle. You use it to reinvest into the property or to buy another investment. If you do this, you can grow a real estate portfolio by using the equity you build in your properties. I usually refinance within a year and a half to 2 years and take that cash to buy another property. Not only is the cash out tax-free, but how amazing is it that you can buy another property without using more cash? In fact, I usually buy 2 properties with the equity from 1 property. To do this, if the property is smaller, not only do I refinance and use the cash out to buy a property, a year or 2 later, I sell it and take that profit to buy another bigger property. This is a strategy that most big real estate investors use to get where they are today. So when you see people buying bigger properties and you think, I couldn't do that, I never have enough money for that, it's absolutely possible. I started with $20,000 of my own cash to buy a house, and now I own almost 50 units that cash flow just over $25,000 per month. And most of that growth came from the cash out on refinances of properties or selling that property to trade up into a larger property.